Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Swetha. I have a new video for you guys. I have a haul video. So a lot of you guys keep asking me what makeup brushes that I use and what are the makeup brushes which is very suitable for beginners and for professionals, and I get a lot of questions regarding that. So I'm going to introduce you to one of the new brands which came up recently. It's called GUBB, GUBB. So I have a huge package here. I'll show you what is inside that. Let's do an unboxing right now. You open this. Okay. So the first thing. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is this set of makeup brushes. Oh my god, look at the packaging, you guys. It's so like very sleek and perfect. So yeah. So this box contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 brushes, makeup brushes. It's written right here. I was just counting like an idiot. Okay, it's a set of 8 brushes and it's soft bristles crafted from 100% cruelty-free synthetic filaments. So that's how it looks like. And behind this, look at this. They have all the descriptions of how to use each and every brushes. It's written behind this. It's too bright here, that's why you can't see. They have a powder brush, a foundation brush, an eyeshadow brush, a blush brush, a lip brush, a slant eyebrow brush, okay, a slant eyebrow brush, mascara brush, and eyeshadow blend brush. So these are the 8 brushes. Let's see, when you open this, it comes like this. Okay, so here let's start with the first brush. So the first, how do I take this? So yeah, I think this is a powder brush. I love how soft it is. It's very soft. So it has this new smell. Okay, this is a powder brush. Obviously, when you see this, you can understand it's a powder brush. So this is to use after your foundation and everything is set. You use this powder brush. I'll actually show this step by step. So the first thing that you apply on your face is after you prep your skin. The first thing that you apply on your face is a foundation. So let's start with the foundation brush. So this is the foundation brush. It's a flat brush so that it's easier for you to use your foundation like this. You go down like this. So this is a foundation. I already have makeup on, so I'm not going to show you guys so how to use it, but you guys already know because you have been seeing my videos for a very long time. This is a foundation brush, and the good thing about this brand is it's cruelty free and it's very soft. It has a lot of qualities like that, and they claim that there will be no shedding of these bristles. So let's see how it goes. I kind of like it already because all the finishing, the whole thing, the packaging, the finishing of the products are really good. And the next thing what we do is this, you'll apply powder with this powder brush. So you take your powder and dab it like this, or you can go like this. So, I love it, it's so soft. So that, and after that you have a blush brush. I actually will show you guys how to use this because I don't have a blush on right now. So I'm going to take this blush. So I'm going to take this blush and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's like a slanting. Can you guys see this? It's a bit slanting. So you take your blush like this and you apply like this. That's how you apply blush. Can you guys see that? Okay, so that's how you use this blush brush. And the next brush we have is, I think, 4 sets of eye brushes. So this one is this is like a fluffy brush. I think it's for eyeshadow. So you take your eyeshadow, you take your product like this, and so this is a fluffy brush. So it's like a blending brush. So it blends your eyeshadow really easily. Yeah. Okay. See, it's that easy. It's too bright, my god. Okay, the light keeps changing, you guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, hope this is fine. I have two brushes for eyeshadows. One is an eyeshadow applying brush, which is a little bit more firm. So when you apply it, you'll have the proper, application. When you apply glitter, eyeshadow and everything, you need a much more firmer brush, and this is for that. But the fluffy one is for blending, that is eyeshadow blending brush. So once you apply your once you blend your transition base color, you can use this particular brush to apply your glitter on top of it. I mean the shimmery eyeshadow on top of it or something. So this is the set of eyeshadow brushes. So the next thing we have is a mascara brush. It's like a spoolie. So actually I use this more for my eyebrows to like comb it and keep it neat. And the next brush we have is this slant eyebrow brush. Can you guys see that? It's like slanting on top and it's firm. So you can use this to fill your eyebrows if you have gaps in between. I have a lot of gap. My whole entire eyebrow is drawn. So I use these kind of brushes to fill my eyebrows. It's very easy when you have these kind of brushes. Okay, so the next brush we have is this lip brush. Lip brush is very important if you want this very precise lip look, and you can use the same brush to apply concealer around your lipstick as well. So this is just, it's very firm and it's a bit slanting, so I like it so that it goes to your lips like this very easily. And this is the last brush. So these are the 8 sets of brush that came, and with these brushes you can create a whole look. You wouldn't need anything else. So if you are looking to buy a set of brushes, this is something that you can go for. So let's talk about the rates and everything. So the whole set is for 1500 rupees MRP, and that is the actual rate, but I have a coupon code for you guys, obviously. So it's GUBB 10, that is GUBB 10. So if you apply this, you will get discount. I'll be putting all the details of these discount codes and links and everything under the video in the description box. Check it out, and I hope you guys will try this out. I kind of like the whole thing. I've been planning on buying brushes for a very long time, because the brushes that I already use are very old and I kept using my fingers to apply makeup, so I wanted to stop that. That's why I bought this set of brushes, and I heard good reviews about it. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Check out my description box for more details, for links and discount codes and everything. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.